In this short video tutorial, we are going to explore how to sign up for Remind, how to join a class, and how to check in on Remind. You can sign up for Remind 3 different ways. You can sign up online at remind.com, you can sign up through text message, or you can download the Remind app from any app store. If you choose to sign up through text message, you would simply open a new text, enter the number 81010, and in the message section, you would enter your child's class code. If your student is in multiple classes, there will be a different code for each class. If you download the Remind app, if you already have an account, you can simply select Login at the bottom, or if you need to set up an account, you can enter your email address, or you can sign up with Google if you have a Google address. So for example, if we were to sign up through the app, we would enter our username and password. If this is your first time signing up, it will ask you to accept the user agreement. You would select your role as a parent or guardian. You can choose to enter your phone number, or you can simply skip that step. And then notice it brings you up to enter your class code. The @ symbol is already there, so all you have to do is enter your class code and select Done. To get started, it will ask you to set your notifications so that you are alerted when a message is posted in your class. And here you can see we have joined a class. Now, if you need to join multiple classes, you would simply select the 3 lines in the top. You would select Join a Class, and you would enter your next class code. How to check in on Remind. During our soft start and on virtual Wednesdays, traditional students will need to check in on Remind each morning they are not at school. Virtual students will need to check in on Remind every morning. You would check in by simply sending in your child's name. Please remember that this is just one of the requirements for students to be counted present. So for example, your teacher might send a message like this. You will notice that we were alerted that a message had been posted, and when I check this message, it says, "Good morning, please check in." To check in, you would simply type the name of your student and click Send. This would alert your child's teacher that they are present. If you have any other questions, you can contact your child's teacher, or you can always contact our help desk at www.amoryschools.com.